Fuel economy standards are increasing for vehicle OEMs in Europe, Japan, China, and North America. How does this influence tire development? We'll find out next. The most important regulatory driver for all-season tires is OEM vehicle fuel economy standards. This is covered in Tire Review by Janine Young at Smithers, based on the company's recent report titled All-Season versus Winter Tires to 2024, a state-of-the-art report. Originally, U.S. CAFE standards regulated by NHTSA were scheduled to increase to 54.5 miles per gallon in 2025 for passenger cars and 47 miles per gallon as a fleet average, but the standards have been revised downward to 44 miles per gallon and 47 miles per gallon, respectively. Still, the U.S. vehicle market is continuing to move toward SUVs and light trucks, which now make up 55% of light-duty vehicle sales, and the U.S. still has fuel economy improvements to make to reach lower fuel economy targets. Because tires contribute directly to a vehicle's fuel economy, automakers will often count on low rolling resistance all-season tires in the U.S. for fuel economy gains. All-season tires also tend to sell well in the U.S. because of the large temperate climate regions within the nation, and are generally considered the standard in the States. Plus, tire makers today have used new features like full-depth 3D sipes and added edges and all-season patterns for improved grip in the snow. This means that since the U.S. doesn't have any strict winter tire regulations, many consumers find that they can get by without ever equipping their vehicle with winter tires. While the U.S. doesn't have any strict winter tire regulations in place, Canada does, specifically in Quebec, and this can be a major driver of winter tire sales. Smithers says Europe leads in winter tire regulations today, especially in Germany. I'm David Sickels, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Studio at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.